Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young boy named James. James was known for his keen intellect and a heart filled with dreams, but what set him apart was his unwavering belief in the value of hard work. From a young age, James watched his parents toil in their modest farm. They woke up before the sun kissed the sky, tilling the soil, planting seeds, and nurturing the crops. Their hands were calloused, and their backs were stooped, but they wore smiles that shone brighter than the morning sun. James understood the meaning of hard work through their example. As James grew, so did his aspirations. He dreamed of becoming a great scholar and helping his village prosper, but he knew that dreams alone wouldn't suffice. James sought wisdom from the village elder, a wise old man named Mr. Jenkins. Mr. Jenkins shared the story of the 3 seeds. "Imagine you have 3 seeds in your hand," Mr. Jenkins said. "The first seed represents your dreams, the second your efforts, and the third your perseverance." James took this lesson to heart. With dedication and unwavering determination, he worked tirelessly on his studies. He devoured books, sought guidance from teachers, and sacrificed playtime to learn. His hard work paid off as he excelled in his studies, earning scholarships that took him to the city to pursue higher education. In the city, James's dedication was put to the test. The challenges were immense, and there were many who were smarter and more privileged. But James remembered the second seed, efforts. He worked diligently day and night, putting his heart and soul into his studies. He not only kept pace but surpassed many of his peers. Years passed, and James returned to his village, now a learned scholar. He realized that he had succeeded in nurturing the second seed, efforts, but there was one more seed left to grow, perseverance. He had to give back to his village, using his knowledge to help them prosper. James worked with the villagers, sharing his wisdom on modern farming techniques and education. He faced challenges and setbacks, but he never gave up. He persisted through droughts, failures, and skepticism. Slowly but steadily, the village started to thrive. Crops flourished, literacy rates rose, and hope filled the air. The once small village had transformed into a prosperous community, and the people credited James's hard work, determination, and perseverance. James had realized the true value of hard work, for it had turned his dreams into reality. The story of James teaches us that dreams can only be achieved through unwavering hard work, dedication, and the will to persevere even in the face of adversity. It reminds us that the value of hard work isn't just about sweat and toil, but the realization of our true potential and the betterment of our world through our efforts.